the project officially begins. What we're gonna do in this video is turn this, my spare bedroom in my Bangkok house, into my dream 90s creator studio. And to do that, we've come here to one of Bangkok's best secondhand markets, Bangsue Junction. And at the end of this video, I'll show you the finished product. But we have a problem, and it's this. I am the least creative creator you've ever met. So whilst we explore Bangsue Junction, this secondhand market in Bangkok, I'm gonna share one skill that really helped me go from homeless, in debt and depressed in the UK to a digital nomad traveling the world and living here in Thailand. Because I believe that if you can learn this one skill, you can do anything you want, whether it's become a digital nomad, travel the world, launch your own YouTube channel, or really whatever the fuck you want. So I've just seen something that's caught my eye, this red Panasonic studio there. So this might be purchase number one, but let's keep looking and let's see. Okay, this is looking very boomboxy. I'm liking this, I'm liking these little pink stickers here. But you know what? I grew up on CDs, not tapes. It just doesn't feel right. As cool as it looks, it's just not right for me. Okay, look, I need to be completely honest with you. Despite the fact that I am a YouTuber, I'm not like naturally artistic in any way, shape or form. But if I look back, if there was like one skill which really helped me go from being stuck, in debt, depressed, working jobs I hated, to being able to travel the world, it's this: stealing. Now, what do I mean by this, right? I don't mean like mugging people like the way I was mugged back when I was 14 at the back of the bus in London, or stealing any of the epic shit that's at this market, because there's a lot of epic shit. There's a great quote from Pablo Picasso, which goes, "Good artists copy, but great artists steal." So what does this mean? Well, it means that good artists draw heavily from the inspiration of other artists. And that's exactly what I'm trying to do with my studio, right? I looked at Adam's studio and I drew inspiration from that. Then I went on Pinterest and I found a bit more inspiration, and just trying to draw inspiration from all of these different places to try and piece it together to find something that's my own. Is this not like the thing of nightmares? I don't really care if it's like a YouTube thumbnail or a landing page or a VSL structure. I am a shameless thief of good ideas. So if you want to reduce your learning curve and make good mistakes, get really good at stealing good ideas that have already been proven. Now, something I really wanted to get was like a little bit like vintage and retro clothing to maybe even wear in the studio for some of the videos. And I think we found that here. I've not seen this brand in a minute. So the goal of this studio is really to create a feeling of like nostalgia. When we were younger, our creativity and our ambition, it really had no ceiling, but eventually over time, life just beats away at you and erodes all of your ambitions and all of your dreams that you've got. Really wanted to buy that Terminator VHS, but 300 baht, it's like, whoa. And really what I want is when people see my studio, I mean, don't get me wrong, like, I'm still gonna be going around Bangkok, Thailand, traveling, crap. But when they see it, I want them to remember a time in their life when they felt excited about life, when anything was possible. I'm digging these t-shirts. They got a really cool like Fight Club one here. And a 7 one, best movie ever. So I am a big fan of Fight Club and I am a big fan of 7. So I think I'm gonna get both of these. I spent far longer in that shop than I should have, but Adam just said to me upstairs, there are some posters, so I'm gonna check that out now. I'm gonna be honest, this Bangsue market or Bangsue Junction, it might be my favorite shopping place I've ever been to in Bangkok. Now, there is a big problem with Bangsue Junction, if I'm honest, and that's there's just too much epic shit. Okay, I can see these having a home. This and this. Are you selling these?
Yeah.
How much?
Oh, not sale.
No sell?
Yeah.
Oh, break my heart. Okay, no worries. Okay, so this is what we've got shortlisted so far. Got Terminator, Snoop Dogg Baby, Beavis and Butthead, Pokemon. Found this one too. Rocky 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't need Rocky 5 because that sucked. Decided on a few posters. Gonna get Puck. M. Gonna get a Pink Floyd Dark Side of the Moon. And then Gorillaz. 315 baht for 2 massive posters, 1 medium one and 3 small ones. What a steal. God damn it, this is so difficult. Okay, I am really happy with how this has come out. It's not perfect by any means. I mean, I think they need to maybe another plant around the back of here, something. What I want to do is I want to add some Jordans hanging from the ceiling just over there. I think that could be quite cool. I want to sort of add the VHS player with the Sony TV and the Blockbuster cases on the top right and sort of move the light a little bit, but I mean, I'm nitpicking. I'm really happy with how this has come out.